A lot of these loans were given in secret. We're calling them China's hidden loans. And they're burning a hole in the pockets of the borrowers. If China's economy collapses, these countries will all suffer. And that's just part of the problem. Hidden debt hurts all of these countries. Let me give you the example of Indonesia here. Indonesia wanted to build a railway line, so it borrowed money from China. It was a very bad idea. Indonesia is learning the hard way. It took $4.5 billion from China for this railway line. The project was launched in 2015. 6 years later, the cost of the project has shot up to well over $8 billion, from $4.5 to $8 billion, almost double of what was initially agreed. Now, what do? You cannot abandon the project midway. So Indonesia is dipping into its own state budget to pay for this railway line. And this could be just the beginning of its troubles. Most of the money Indonesia has borrowed from China is off the books. It is hidden debt. It is not reflected in official books. Officially, Indonesia owes China close to $5 billion. Unofficially, Indonesia reportedly owes China close to $23 billion. That's $18 billion of hidden debt. 78% of Indonesia's debt to China is hidden. Who took these loans? Indonesian government entities. And these are very risky borrowings. The loans were given without sovereign guarantees, meaning if the borrowers go bankrupt, the Indonesian government will face pressure to bail out. They will have to pay that money. It's a trap.